Chef is cooking with online recipe.
Chef is cooking with online recipe.
Chef is holding fresh salad plate.
Chef is holding fresh salad plate.
He is decorating layered berry cake.
He is decorating layered berry cake.
She holds the pink birthday cake with sprinkles.
She holds the pink birthday cake with sprinkles.
She is refusing spicy food with red chili pepper.
She is refusing spicy food with red chili pepper.
She is eating healthy breakfast with milk and fresh fruits.
She is eating healthy breakfast with milk and fresh fruits.
He is thinking about junk food cravings.
He is thinking about junk food cravings.
He holds the iced coffee cup with straw.
He holds the iced coffee cup with straw.
He is cleaning the floor with vacuum cleaner.
He is cleaning the floor with vacuum cleaner.
She is holding her brother's hand.
She is holding her brother's hand.
He is pointing accusingly.
He is pointing accusingly.
He is giving gift to her.
He is giving gift to her.
He is amazed by towering stack of burgers on table.
He is amazed by towering stack of burgers on table.
He is washing dishes at kitchen sink.
He is washing dishes at kitchen sink.
He is holding the colorful balloons.
He is holding the colorful balloons.
He is holding the traffic light.
He is holding the traffic light.
She is crying from hot sauce.
She is crying from hot sauce.
She is holding pencil and notebook with smile.
She is holding pencil and notebook with smile. She is crying with toothache.
She is crying with toothache. She is brushing her teeth.
She is brushing her teeth.
She is painting a tree on canvas.
She is painting a tree on canvas.
She is working on a computer.
She is working on a computer.
She is waving with diploma in red gown.
She is waving with diploma in red gown.
She is writing on the whiteboard.
She is writing on the whiteboard.
Female doctor is holding chest ray.
Female doctor is holding chest ray.
Mechanic is inspecting car with driver.
Mechanic is inspecting car with driver.
He is eating a fresh apple.
He is eating a fresh apple.
She is pouring milk into glass.
She is pouring milk into glass.
He is cutting bread with knife.
He is cutting bread with knife.
She is mixing batter in bowl.
She is mixing batter in bowl.
He is opening the refrigerator door.
He is opening the refrigerator door.
She is carrying a basket of fruits.
She is carrying a basket of fruits.
He is drinking water from bottle.
He is drinking water from bottle.
She is setting the dining table.
She is setting the dining table.
He is cooking rice in pot.
He is cooking rice in pot.
She is peeling an orange.
She is peeling an orange.
He is stirring soup slowly.
He is stirring soup slowly.
She is baking cookies in oven.
She is baking cookies in oven.
He is slicing tomatoes for salad.
He is slicing tomatoes for salad.
She is washing vegetables in sink.
She is washing vegetables in sink.
He is serving food on plates.
He is serving food on plates.
She is packing lunch in box.
She is packing lunch in box.
He is eating noodles with fork.
He is eating noodles with fork.
She is pouring tea into cup.
She is pouring tea into cup.
He is holding a spoon and bowl.
He is holding a spoon and bowl.
She is tasting the hot soup.
She is tasting the hot soup.
He is cleaning the kitchen counter.
He is cleaning the kitchen counter.
She is wiping the table clean.
She is wiping the table clean.
He is throwing trash in bin.
He is throwing trash in bin.
She is organizing kitchen shelves.
She is organizing kitchen shelves.
He is lighting the stove carefully.
He is lighting the stove carefully.
She is adding sugar to tea.
She is adding sugar to tea.
He is holding a tray of food.
He is holding a tray of food.
She is carrying a cup of coffee.
She is carrying a cup of coffee.
He is eating breakfast at table.
He is eating breakfast at table.
She is enjoying a healthy meal.
She is enjoying a healthy meal.
He is grabbing a quick snack.
He is grabbing a quick snack.
She is sharing food with friend.
She is sharing food with friend. He is opening a food package.
He is opening a food package. She is closing the kitchen cabinet.
She is closing the kitchen cabinet.
He is filling water in jug.
He is filling water in jug.
She is boiling eggs in pot.
She is boiling eggs in pot.
He is frying eggs in pan.
He is frying eggs in pan.
She is spreading butter on bread.
She is spreading butter on bread.